Second set.
Napil ka na eh. Char lang.
Sino kaya ang mananalo sa Super Black 4 or Super Black 5? Abangan.
Black 5 to serve. First, second, and third. First, second, and spike. Up! Outside! Sayang! Okay lang yan.
Uy!
Lingkuri.
Kulin ninyo. Kulin.
Sino kaya ang
Dede.
Okay, Super Black 5 to serve. Oh! Wala lang kapot. Sige lang. Black 4 to serve. First off. Feeling ko lang. Up. Score. 3 to serve against 1. Oh, gitagal chance ang Super Black 5. The team captain from Super Black 5 to serve. First ball. Karon. Oh! Nice save. First, second. First, second. Oh! Wala gyud na save ang bola. Pero okay lang na. Sunod na po. Not over. According to our first referee. Oh ha? Oh, gibutang sa kilid, gidiretso. Oh! Check the ball by Mimi. First deadlock for the second set. For all. Whoop! Oy! Padulong sa kilid ang bola. Wala na. Estimate. Pahibalo! Aduna kita libreng pabingo this coming April 27 dinhi sa ato ang covered court at 3 p.m. Sponsored by Consial Joan Bungguyan para sa iyang libreng pabingo. Libre ang card o dakong pa-premyo ang ipanghatag. Okay, naka-recover na ang Super Black 5. Hoy, nilamang na ang Super Black 5. 6 to serve against 5. First ball, second ball. First ball, second ball. First ball, up, outside. Husga na, oy. Gilang, okay lang yan. Lamang na ang Super Black 5. Up! Outside! It's an outside according to our line judge number 1. First ball. Nice save! Score 8 to serve against 6. Third, second ball. First. Second, up. First, up. First, alap. Sayang. Hindi nakita ang linya. Ang line natin, nasa labas na. Okay. Okay, kikay to serve. Murag nakalimot na. Okay, murag wala ni Agi to player. Pak, pop, pak. Ay, wala ka save sa bola. 9 to serve against 7. Lamang ang Super Black 5. Outside! Karoon, naghinam-hinam na ang Super Black 5. Naka-recover na ang Super Black 5. 10 to 7. First, palo kabitaw! Not over! Not over, kaya wala ni Amba. Ay! Ang bola ni Agi sa kilid. Up next, Super Black 1 and Super Black 6. Up, first ball. Second ball, first ball. Third, pop, pop, pick, pick, pop, palo, kabitaw!
Outside!
No touch the net, no touch the player, but outside. Score! Didla! 10. Ay!
11-10.
Wala jud kaabot. Blackboard to serve. Oh! Inside! Nahadlok man ang players. Ang bola wala nahadlok. Misulot. Okay. 12 to serve against 10. Oh, first ball. Second ball. Third ball. Oh, check the ball. Second. Oh, wala na save. Gitagag chance ang Super Black 5. 11 to serve against 12. First ball. First ball. Second ball. Palo! Check the ball. Nice spike from Super Black 5. Second deadlock for the second set. 12 all. First. Oh! Sayang. Pero okay lang. Okay lang na. Hehe. Murag hapit na ang 25. Ala. Nana nyo makuyawan ani. Mimi to serve, first ball. Second ball, first ball. Oh!
Tanga.
Anong wala gikwa? Miscommunication. 13 all. Taday to serve, second. First up. Oh! Gitagaan na yung chance ang Super Black 5 na maka-abante. In favor sa Black 5, 14-13. First ball. Second ball. First ball. The second ball. First ball. Second ball. Four shots. Kuyawa to. May split. Okay, third deadlock. Oh, gitanaw na lang ang bola. 15-14. Tama ba? Tama. 15 to serve against 14. Oh! Outside, inside. Inside. Gitanaw na lang. Woo! Wala pa na, wala pa na. Oh, makahabol kaya ang Super Black 5. Black 4 lead by 2 points. First, oh! Gitanaw na lang. 17. Sayang, murag diri nga score. Mabiyaan ang Super Black 5. Opo! 18-14. Wala pa na.
Outside.
Inside sa basketball court, pero outside sa volleyball court. Okay. 15 to serve against 18. Karon, gigamitan og overhand serve. Oh! Take the ball! No more. Okay. 19-15. 19 to serve. 19 to serve against 15. Substitution. Sa break.